Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the S26 Ultra here and I'm going to show you one of the cool new features guys, and that is the dual screen record, meaning that the device is able to record with a front facing camera. Okay, so that's catching all of those wide angles, and of course is able to record with the main lens. And of course, in order to do this on your device, go ahead and launch your camera. By default, you most likely are in photos, so go ahead and you're going to go to video. Once you go to video here, you're going to go next and you're going to select the option here. So you're going to tap on this 4 dots right hand section. You're going to see this screen here. You'll most likely be over here. Go ahead and slide across. You'll see this option here with us that's striked out by default. Go ahead and tap. You'll see you have 2 options. Now, of course, this is the screen record function, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so go ahead and tap and select the middle option if you want to do the dual camera, and it's using the front facing camera and it's also using the back camera here. All right, so you can actually do those vlogs and other cool stuff. All right, you can also see here that there's a new innovative option, which is the exciting part. So this one here shows the screen as is, so I can be speaking of something and I can be showing you other stuff as well. So it shows both halves, and of course that's a new feature. You can always turn it off and of course get to turn off dual recording. So dual recording is the name of the feature. Definitely an exciting new feature of the S26 Ultra. So as shown, there's the record general one, and of course the updated version that allows you to record in half and half, meaning half of the screen will be the front and half will be the back. Great for vlogging and the tutorials and so on that you might have. And that's definitely one of the new features that you should most likely use, especially if you use the dual recording on your device. Hope that was helpful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.